자.
What took you guys so long?
Takes ages to get anywhere on these legs.
Are you also here to stop the fight?
Yeah, but then I realized I'd probably get annihilated trying. So...
You fought well, Nikoro-san, but I've been training my whole life for this moment. Let me show you what I've learned.
They said, gonna be breathing out of.
Impossible! How?
I have been through the most grueling training on the planet.
Which school taught you? Was it Hokuto? Was it Konoha? Or was it Mr. Miyagi?
No, it was the School of Life. I have raised 3 kids and 1 husband. Let's just be friends.
I don't need your pity!
But together, we can!